Intrigued? Let's find out how to use and mix supernatural colour.
As mentioned before, it's a non-lift colour, so this means it will not lighten or shift the natural level. It will add tone to the starting level and evenly fades with each wash.
It's peroxide and ammonia free, so there's no developer needed. It's mixed with hot water from a kettle at 70 degrees Celsius.
1 part granules up to 4 or 5 parts water, depending on the consistency which you like. This is for full head supernatural colour application, including grey blending services.
For example, 30 grams of colour granules plus 120 to 150 mils of hot water at 70 degrees Celsius. Develop for 30 to 40 minutes using a climazone.
For more vibrancy and grey blending services, leave for 40 minutes.
And for refreshing lengths and ends, or blonde toning, mix 1 part of the granules to 6 or 7 parts of water, dependent on the consistency that you like to work with. For example, 30 grams of the colour granules plus 180 to 210 mils of hot water at 70 degrees Celsius.
And develop for 20 to 30 minutes. For best results, apply to clean, dry hair. For long, curly or coarse hair types, we would recommend to apply to clean, damp hair. The hair can either be freshly washed or sprayed down to dampen. It helps to take the product through the lengths and ends.
Apply like you would apply any conventional Wella colour with a bowl and a brush application. It has a creamy-like consistency. Let the mixture cool down to a skin comfortable temperature. You can check the temperature before the application by applying just a small amount to the wrist area. Your clients will love the warm and spa-like experience.
You will notice the product colour is a matte brownish colour and is similar for every shade, some more brownish. This is something to share with your clients, especially if they want to go blonde, but it's a great wow factor when rinsing the hair.
After application, cling wrap the hair using the Wella cling wrap. This keeps the product moist and stops it from drying out, ideal for ease of rinsing.
The use of a climazone will maintain warmth over the whole development time. If you don't have a climazone to hand, don't worry. Place a towel securely over the cling wrapped hair to maintain the warmth.
Then simply use warm water, emulsify like any other colour and rinse well. Shampoo with a shampoo dedicated for the hair type that you're working on, and no post-colour treatment is required as this is not an oxidative colour.
If needed, finish with a conditioner or a mask suitable for your client's hair type and then style as desired.
There are 3 supernatural colour services: full head colour, grey blending and blonde toning and refreshing services.